So the neighbors, the realtor, the owner, their attorney, the HOA, property manager, they managed to win the court case for the retaliation eviction. However, of course, I did already file my appeal the very same day because, of course, we're not having that. So yeah, their lies that they've collaborated and rehearsed together, it worked in their favor. The first eviction was dismissed and in my favor. Now this one was in their favor, but again, it was actually an error of law because number one, according to section Texas Property Code 92.331, there should never have been any court cases because it's retaliation eviction. The judge should have never even made any judgment. So that's one error. And secondly, these people are under all kinds of investigations. They're under investigations with the Texas Workforce Commission, Civil Rights Division, the Dallas DA's office. The police are under investigation with Public Integrity, and we also have HUD, the trauma lead federal investigator involved. So that is 4 different entities on top of the HOA being investigated, on top, and that's being investigated in a different area. So it's like multiple different investigations going on right now. Even the attorney, I am filing a complaint against her with the state bar because she has been asking the neighbors to do things, to provoke things, to make me call the police, and then they use it against me that I'm calling the police. So it's a lot of tricky things going on, a bunch of lies, and they see that it's just myself fighting for myself, and it's a whole lot of them together. But I'm highly confident that this case will be heard fairly and very well in a higher court. And guess what? I am willing to even go to the Supreme Court in Austin. It doesn't matter. I am going to continue fighting. And thankfully, I have a little proof, or should I say a lot of proof. And I have investigations going. So I'm on the right track. Just because they won in court yesterday does not mean, you know, how they say everything that glitter is not gold. It actually still works in my favor because you still did a retaliation eviction by the end of the day. So anyway, I just wanted to get on here and say this in case some of his followers are watching or whoever's watching. I know they're watching, of course, and they're listening to everything I say and do. As they both stated, they're tracking my device, which is also illegal. So yeah, just giving a little update, not worried about anything concerning court, not worried about the eviction because I got this. And the reason why I know I got this because I have done nothing wrong to be evicted. And if we want to talk about any type of breaching of a contract, breaching of a lease, what about all the things the neighbor have done to me? Just like the judge said in court yesterday, if you want to evict her, then it would only be fair to evict the neighbor as well. You know, so it doesn't matter. You know, they can feel like they're winning. They can continue doing the harassment, but best believe things will be shifting. Things will be shifting, and that's a guarantee. Thank you.